Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show how to learn Windows Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word, first you need to know what is the Microsoft Word. This is the program of where you can create documents in your format. You can format document, you can type something, and you can make a document for official purpose, like writing letter, writing application, writing any business application, anything you want to write in some documents. That's called Microsoft Word documents. And extension of the Word documents files is doc, and new version is docx. So how first I will show how to open the Microsoft Word program. If it is a Microsoft Windows, then you can directly go to search and type WinWord. Here it's coming Microsoft Office Word in 2007 is the version. And second, you can go directly via program. You can find your documents of the Word by going to all your program, and you can find one by one where is your program. Here you can see document, and apps. In apps you can see Microsoft Word directly. All program you can find apps. So, and third way of opening the Word document, you just need to create new, and here you can find the Microsoft Office Word document. I am clicking on this. This is the easiest way. Just I am typing test later. You can give the name and just double click on this to open the document. Then your Word document is open. First things, if you want to write something, like I am writing the application, any application, subject, then here two way of spacing you can give. One is tab spacing, one is space bar. If you want single space, then you can put the space bar. If you want to proper spacing line by line, then you need to use tab. Like you want to put semicolon, use tab. Again you can use tab. I am writing something, leave application. If you want to make this sentence as bold, then you can make it bold. Here also you can check the spelling and correct it. If you want to bold, underline something, facility is there. This is the italic format of the sentence. When you go to again line, then it is showing the bold. You need to click again bold, so your bold will be omit. Then I am typing dear sir or madam. Then you can write, press enter to give the line, return, write some sentence. I would like to inform you I am not well. Like that you can make the sentence. If you want to create any table, so you can directly go to insert and table, how many column, how many rows you want to give, you can give. First I am taking 2 row, 3 row, 2 column. Name, address. So it's not a real application, so just I am typing to love. Name Santosh Kumar Singh and address ABC. So this way you can create a table. Any sentence, if you write something like I want to eat grapes, if you want to make it a sentence in proper way or any other format, you can format your sentence. Here you can give font, here you can give a spelling font, and if you want to give any other color, you can give color. If you want to give more color, you can select it here, any color you can select and press OK. So you will get your color, and you can change the case of sentence, like lower case if you want, then all will be lower. If you want uppercase, then all will be upper. I will put many times this sentence. And if you want to proper case, capital each word is called a proper case. So for each word, first letter is the upper letter. Same way you can give toggle case. First you need to select your sentence, then click on your case. So it's in toggle way, but mostly this you don't want. Mostly we use lower sentence case. And if you want to paste one format to any other format, like, and there is a format printer, just click on this, and like I have made this as bold, and you format, you copy the format, just to paste it, click on this, then this is also bold. So this way you can format your document. This is the normal, mostly we use no spacing. If you want to give no spacing, then you can select no spacing. Heading, so if you select heading, then it will be bigger. Heading 2 same way, and heading 3 will be more small. Heading 4, heading 5, heading 6, all are there, but mostly we use normal. You can change the styles of your sentence, you can give color, you can give style set. I have selected, and I have given this style set, elegant, and elegant style came. You want to change font, and you can select font from here. Office font, Calibri, Apex. If you want to change any font, you can change from here also. Mostly we use Times New Roman for any document. And if you want to change the size of your font in whole document, then select it, and you can change like 14. But for normal document, we use font size 10 or 12. And if you want to give any alignment for your sentences, then these are the alignment. Align text to the left, align text to the middle, align text to the right. And table formatting you can also do by using table properties. You can use row formatting, you can use column formatting, you can specify height, row height, everything you can give. You can format your cells, you can give alignment in your cells, or you can check in your own documents. Just I am giving the overview what you can do in the Microsoft Word. If you want to clear any formatting, or if you want to clear all formatting here, clear formatting, so all formatting gone away. And one interesting facility, if you want to get your back, then redo undo option is there. You can redo your thing by pressing Ctrl Z. You can undo, your formatting came back. If you want to again redo, then you can press Ctrl Y, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Y. So this is very interesting. If you are writing any sentence like numbering you want to give, you can format your sentence. There are three lines. If you want to give any bullet numbering, then you can give whatever you want. By right click you can get many things of formatting your sentence. You can choose number, you can choose bullet, different bullets and numbers are there. So these things to practice for first day. You all things what I have teach you here, you can practice in your own documents, and you can comments. I will come with the next class soon for the some more tips and tricks on the Microsoft Word. And last session I will do for the mail merge. It's also very important for Microsoft Word. So whatever you want to learn more in Word, you can mention in comments also. And whatever you not get clarity, you can comment. So I will repeat again in the next slide. Till that you can practice what I have teach you here. Thanks for watching these clips, and if you like these clips video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel with that. And second good news I want to give with these clips, I am going to complete 300 videos in my channels. So be with us, come more to complete the 1000 clips. So this year target 1000 clips. Thank you very much for watching this clip. Be with us. Bye bye.